Good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. In your previous class, I gave two bits in FA1. First bit question answers and second bit write your identity, Amma. Now next bit, third bit, write true or false. This is over FA1 revision. Now this is the last bit. Okay, children. Let's tell me, Amma. There are many members in a small family. There are many members in a family. It's true or false? Only in a small family, how many members, Amma? Two children and parents. That is a small family. But here said what? What here said, Amma? There are many members. So chala members in a small family. Chala members small family lo untavi అని అంటున్నాడు. So this is true or false? False. Next, second one. In a big family, there are 4 members. In a big family, how many members? More than 2 children and parents. Means more than 2 children and parents means more than 4. So here said what? Only 4 members. This is also false. Now next, third one. In a joint family, grandparents live with the family. Yes, in a joint family, all are living together. So this is the true. Now next, fourth one. We should not help at home. We should not help at home. This is true or false? False. We are help at home. But here said we should not help at home. Father and mother look after the plants. What is that? Father and mother look after the plants. This is also false. Right down, Amma. Father and mother look after the house, but here said father and mother look after the plants. So that's why this is a false, Amma. Please copy in your classwork. This is the last bit. Now revision completed. Revision completed. Okay, children. Now how many bits? Total 3 bits. First of all, copy in your classwork, Amma. And today homework is what? First bit completed, all of you homework. Now write down second bit, Amma. Homework, second bit, one time in homework book. Okay? Second bit one time in homework book. Now, second bit is the write your identity. Okay? Write your name, write your where is you are living, the address, and what is your school name, what is your hobbies, what is your good at, okay, what you love it. Okay, write that all qualities about you. Now what is the third bit? Write true or false on children. Still who is not complete classwork, please watch previous videos and write it, Amma. First of all, complete your revision. 3 bits, first, second, third bits complete, and read these 3 bits, Amma. This is a learn and write. Second bit, learn and write. Okay. Second bit one time in your homework book and post it, Amma. Learn and write. Okay, revision completed. Still any doubt on about FA1 revision? Ask in our WhatsApp group, Amma. Write neatly, write without mistakes. Okay, children? What is today homework? Second bit, homework one time. Learn and write. Okay? Okay, Ma, thank you.